Hello, I'm Claire Savidge, Operations Coordinator for the Texas Education Exchange. This month, we have some highlights and a new look at our online community that we're excited to share with you. In April, we sent out our first big communication update to our partners, working alongside our team to build the exchange. We continued our outreach to our beta districts with their update on happenings for the project and our monthly update for ESC leaders, as well as our video update. Each month, be on the lookout for new content to our blog about the vision of the exchange, in-depth ideas about our products, and how we are building our data solution. This month, check out our post about our team. We all have a unique path that led us to this project. At the end of June, we will be in San Antonio as a gold sponsor of the Ascender User Conference, where we are excited to meet representatives from districts across the state and teach them about the benefits of the exchange. Right now, we are accepting nominations for phase 2 of our beta testing, and we need your help recruiting districts and charter schools who would be interested in shaping our products. Last month, we sent out a toolkit for you to use information, including information sheets, elevator pitches, and slide decks that provide valuable insight into the exchange and our plans for the future. If you would like to reach out to us for more information or know a school that's ready to sign up, contact us at information@txedexchange.net. Looking at our timeline, our first release in the fall of this year will include essential services. Following that, in the winter of 2024, you will find enhanced customizations. The third release will have integrated reporting and additional ESC developed applications. And the final and full version of the exchange will be released in the fall of 2024. The first release of the exchange will be available to districts in September. Releasing this first version allows districts to evaluate functionality using real data and provide ongoing feedback to the team for the next development cycles. This process allows us to continue to build on the product and develop it into something that meets the needs of Texas educators. The focus of our first release will be on delivering essential services like source system integration, educator and administrator dashboards, and an online community. Our communication specialist, Jennifer Duncan, has more on our online community and what it could look like when we launch.
Thanks, Claire. We want to give you a look at the online community while we continue building it. It's so important to us that the products we build are tools that you'll use. This is a picture of the login page from our online community. It's just a draft, but there are already so many features built in that can truly help educators at all levels. You can see it includes the ability to pin most used applications, to see updates, and see groups. Dmitri Adler with Data Society joins us. He is one of the partners for the exchange. We're so happy for you to join us today to talk to us a little bit about the online community. So can you tell us about what your team is building for the online community?
Absolutely. We're building a community experience that will allow educators across the state of Texas to share their experiences, to share lessons learned with each other, to interact with each other around a variety of resources to help them be better educators, to help them help each other. Communities shouldn't be general purpose. They should be specific to a mission. Effectively, a safe space that allows people to talk about specific needs, specific missions that they all feel consistently passionate about, regardless of what may happen in other communities. And so we hope that the mission of this platform is to help bring people together, to help increase that sense of unity, that sense of community, to help improve their relationships across educators across the entire state. And we envision that that would translate into overall just a higher level of learning and a higher level education for all kids across the state of Texas.
The exchange can offer great tools and opportunities to educators in districts and on campus. But what about at the regional level?
One of the biggest benefits at the regional level is it's giving you access to the challenges and successes that our districts and LEAs are experiencing, which allows us to better support at the regional level. And so really noticing the patterns that are emerging in the groups, and also being like champions of the work and the successes that are happening in our region and helping to share those stories. But I think we at a region center can enhance our services by paying attention to the patterns that are emerging in these chats and learning and development kind of areas and online spaces.
Thanks, Whitney. Please be sure to follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn to stay up to date. We'll see you next month.